our various files. You can clone this GitHub repository. We have a README file over here. Here are some features of our project and all. So we are interested in cloning the GitHub repository. This is the command you need to paste in your terminal to clone this repository. I have already cloned it. I will. Then you can set up the backend. For it, you have to pip install the requirements. I have already installed it, so I will simply start the Python server. Before starting the server, always ensure that you are in the working directory. So I will get in my working directory first of all. And then we can start the server. As you can see, our Python server has successfully started. So it's time for the backend front end part. Sorry. So we'll get in our working directory, and simply we can do npm run def. As you can see, our front end and backend both are started. So we'll just control click over here. So this is the interface you guys will get. So we have also given you the credentials that what you exactly need to do over here. For student, we have some roll numbers over here. The name will be auto-filled. Then for teacher, we have this as a ID, and name can be any name. For processor, we have this ID and any name you can get. So first of all, let us see for the student. So I will just enter a roll number. We'll log in. Final examination of 30 minutes, and we have 5 questions. So let's start the examination. We'll simply choose any answers over here. So, okay, so we have chosen all the answers. So we'll submit the examination. So now, as the student submitted the examination, is waiting for the teacher to release the marks. Before that, the marks will be calculated by the processor. So here we will enter the processor ID, and the processor name can be anything. So we'll just give the processor only. Login as a processor. I'm starting the auto process. You can manually also get. So we will log out from here, and finally we will log in as a teacher. We can give any name. Log in as a teacher. So teacher will manually release the marks. For example, the student who gave the examination was this student. So release the marks. As you can see, marks are released for the student. Also, I have given one functionality that teacher has the authority to reset the exam attempt in case some glitch has happened. So teacher can reset the examination for the particular student. Then we can view all the submissions. As you can see, we have only done one submission over here of 60%. So teacher is able to view all the marks, all the status, and all the actions from here, and he can reset it also. First of all, let us go back to the student and see that now the marks are visible to the student or not. So we'll log in as a student, and here you can see the examination is completed and our score is 60%. The functionality which I was talking about was a teacher can also reset the examination for a particular student. So we'll see that. We'll view all the submissions and we reset. So as you see, that is not started over here is coming in place of status. We'll also reconfirm it by going in the student again. So login as a student. As you can see here, the student has has been showing the option to start the examination again. Then we have over here, if you see, we have a dashboard in which we have integrated all the various tasks like violation detection. For example, this is a student who does the cheating for the first time. So warning is there and 50% marks are deducted. He does it again, so the examination is terminated. Then we'll go over here for the clock synchronization. Suppose the teacher is there, he is there. Then now then we'll add some students with slightly different timing, and start the synchronization. So as you can see, the updated timings of T and S1 is this. Okay, so we took only two, then uh, three. So here we have taken the two students and one teacher. So you can see the synchronization is successfully completed. Then here is mutual exclusion. That is, first of all, teacher holds the critical section over here. S1 request, S1 is granted. Then S2 request and S3 request. Then S1 releases, so control will be given to S2. Then this releases, so control is given to S3. Then again S1 and S2 can request, and again the same which will go on. And in the end, again the control will be sent to the teacher. Then here are the examples of exam processing which we have already seen. Then this is the load balancing. If multiple requests are coming at the same time, so how we are handling it? Basically, as you can see, the threshold value is 8. So 8 requests are accepted. We have started from student 0. So 8 requests are accepted. Then all the requests, remaining requests are migrated. Then we are getting a batch response as okay, and the main server will verify it by submitted. Then the last one is the distributed databases where all the records of the student, all the marks are stored. And over here, you can also click on this button to show the databases. So it will give you the value that on which replica uh, which students are stored. Information about which students are stored. So as you can see, Hussein's data is stored on replica 1 and replica 2. So in case the replica 1 fails, replica 2 is alive, so we will get the information about Hussein. But if the replica 2 also fails and we try to search where is Hussein, so we will not find it. But if any one is open, so we'll find it. And obviously if two are online, so obviously we'll find the data about Hussein. So yes guys, this is the project basically, and you all can get the link from the description about the GitHub repository. That's it, and these are the user guides you all can read, and this is the project structure and all the features are also mentioned over here. So thank you.